Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2018 Land Rover. This vehicle is coming for a leak. Yes, that's a discovery. It's coming at Auto Surgery. So this guy coming here for a coolant leak. The gentleman said the vehicle has been like leaking oil since after he went to another place to do some oil change, to do a flat tire. Then since that, the oil start leaking. So let's check it out together, guys, and we see exactly where that baby is leaking. All right, let's check on the front. And that's sexy right there. There you go. We're gonna check where it's leaking. We're gonna lift it up the vehicle and then to check it out. All right, let's bring it inside. All right, and from the water pump right there, you see, and the hose on the top. That's the hose on the top too. We have to be replaced. Okay, as you can see, when I remove the two bolt on this one, then you can see this is dripping right there. The water pump and the hose on the top
and the pulley,
because if
you
I
have to take this
and I have this pulley too as well too.
This.
Okay, let me show you why I want to be replace the pulley.
This and this.
You
This
see,
pulley, change
you
it.
see this pulley inside here.
And
You
the
see
water
all the
pump
you see all those gunk is inside of that pulley. That's why I want to be change it. But that one too, I don't want to take chance.
Yeah, and tell him this is a plastic, eh?
Because
They
this
might crack too.
this one is a plastic. That pulley of the water pump
Yeah,
is a
change it
plastic. It's better because if we change it, because we know we're safe.
when we take care
Because
of
I don't want to just replace just the water pump and then I didn't replace the pulley of that. This water pump is coming out. It's coming out right now. Yep. Okay guys, this is the parts. I received it from Range Rover. This is the parts number. L as Larry, R as Romeo, 154597. This is it. This is it right there. That's it, guys. This is one of the most common problems for Range Rover. I make sure I double check with the guy on parts. He tell me yes, they sell this one a lot. So if you know you have one of those guys, Range Rover, so get ready to be replaced one of those guys. This is the water pump right here. This is it. This is the same thing as you guys can see. Let me zoom out a little bit. They even put the sign on it, Jaguar, Range Rover on it. That's the same parts for the Jaguar as well. This is the old one that I replaced. This one was leaking. Okay. And the funny part is, it's not leaking from here. It's leaking right behind that pulley, as you guys can see. Here, you can see. Right behind the pulley. You keep dripping coolant over and over. So now it's time to say bye-bye to you, and then this guy, welcome. So we're gonna put it in to here. This place right there. It's going to that place. As you guys can see on the top. And since I'm on this corner here, I just want to show you guys something. While this one was like driving the idler pulley, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna replace it. I'm just gonna put a new idler pulley on this one, on the tensioner. Yes, I should be replaced both, but since the other one is still good, I just hold on this one. But I'm just gonna replace only one idler pulley, which is like, this is it right there. This is the parts number for the idler pulley, L as Larry, R as Romeo, 073726. Yes. Boom. See? With this, we'll be good to go. Alright, so let's start doing that sexy. We're just gonna be have a little clean up on the top, then we install that baby right here. And this guy has two plugs, one in and one out. Yes. Now ready? Let's start doing it. I'd just like to mention something. Once you guys doing this kind of job, do not add any silicone, please. You don't want trouble, okay? You don't want problems, do not add no silicone. Just clean up this one and spray some wet cleaner on it, make it look nice and neat, just like that. Then you put that sexy, you put it in, yeah, you put it in. Some space with that wire and to let that sexy in. There we go. Here she is. We're just gonna bolt it up, then tuck that sexy and put the there we go. Here's that sexy right here, guys. I already changed the idler pulley on the front. Then I already put the water pump. Now it's time just to put the serpentine belt. Then we're adding the coolant. Yeah, adding the coolant, and then we're just gonna let it warm up. Boom, ready to go home. All right. Okay, guys, this is the final right here. There's a baby right there. Running. No more leaks. Nothing. Let's just see ready to go home. We're just gonna drive down the highway. Looking good. New water pump. New idler pulley. We'll be ready to go home. Flying. Okay guys, after a big drive on the road, the vehicle is driving very nice. I enjoyed the ride on the highway. Everything's looking very good. So she's ready to go home right now. She's ready to go home. The sex is ready to go home. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully that video could help friends and family members. Please share and like the video. Alright? I'll see you for another video again. If you don't like it, put the thumb down. If you like it, put the thumbs up. And please, please, please remember, Jesus is coming soon. Our King, our Savior is coming back. Get ready, guys. Get ready.